This lab is analogous to Millikan's famous oil drop experiment, in which he discovered and measured the amount of charge on a single electron. The class has 55 film canisters. Each film canister has something in it. None of the canisters is empty. The only data that the students need to take, and are allowed to take, is the mass of individual canisters. And from that data, they are to figure out the mass of one of the objects that's inside the canister. Does that make sense?
It makes sense. It still seems impossible.
It seems impossible. It is not only Not only is it not impossible, it's actually simple. Once you see the solution, it is simple. And they're only allowed to have 5 canisters at one time, and that they can only put one canister on the scale at one time.
Why do they need more than one canister? You just said take one canister and figure out.
They have to figure out the mass of one object inside a canister. That's right.
So why do they need to work with more than one canister?
Well, they just might. Millikan figured out the charge on one electron, but he worked with a whole lot of electrons, a whole lot of oil drops before he figured it out.